In this video, I will cover the mechanism by which the swivel stop works in a Parker vise. So this is the base for the vise, and right now I'm looking at the model 973.5A, and these are the parts of the mechanism that act as a brake in a swivel mechanism. So the way it goes is, let's see if I can remember how to attach it. Yep, so this pin, I guess we can call it a pin or a bolt, goes this way and it's assembled this way, and then this mechanism goes in here. Now also this little bit goes right in between these hands. Having trouble putting it on with one hand. Yep, finally got it. So then what happens is the top fixed jaw goes on top like so. So you can see that's the pin around which the hands move. So when loosened, it's free to move like this around the base, and imagining that the fixed jaw is on top of it. Now what makes it stop is this little screw, and let me show it to you in an assembled way. And let's put this top jaw on top, or fixed on top. And as you can see, this screw will go into this hole, and there's actually this pretty handy wrench that always stays on, that you can use to tighten or loosen this particular bolt. So what does it do when the bolt is tightened or loosened? Well, again, just to see the operation, let's take the fixed jaw out and take a look at the base with the brake mechanism in it. So this little fella goes through the base, and right now I'm tightening it. But now imagine that it's fixed in the base, right? It goes through the base. As I tighten it, it's gonna, let's see if I can get a little closer. It's gonna move this little fella up, and this fella, when it moves up, it's gonna spread the hands out, right? It's gonna spread them out in the base, and when they're spread out, eventually it's gonna go so high, and it's gonna spread them out so tightly that this whole base won't be able to move. So this brake mechanism basically gonna get locked inside of the base. Again, because the hands are spread out and they're held so tight out by this little fella that's being pulled out by the bolt that they can't move. Now, the base is attached to the fixed jaw. And again, let me just take this out. See if I can quickly unscrew it. Right. So again, imagine that that side, the brake, is so tight that it's not going to move in the base. Now this fella is attached to the base, and so it's not going to move. It's too tight. It can't move. These guys are not moving, the swivel points. And if they're not moving, the top is not moving. Pretty neat. Now loosen this bolt so the swivel points can start swiveling, and the whole top is moving now. Pretty neat. Now, haven't seen that in other vices. Usually, let's see, let me just put the video camera down for just 1 second, because I need 2 hands to get the Wilton vise up. This little fella is kind of heavy. I think it's about 40 pounds, I want to say. So this happens to be a Wilton mechanics vise that I have on my bench right now. So it's pretty typical. Here's, the nut, and you can loosen or tighten. And I'm sure you've seen it when you mounted your vices, right? It's going to be something similar to this, right? If it tightens, the brake gets closer to the base and, goes in tight. And so it's not going to move through the ridges, right? Through the gears. Well, really not the gears, but you get the point. So that's how most of the vices work. Basically, I guess all of them work on a friction principle. But what I like about the Parkers is that the brake mechanism is completely enclosed. So this fella, completely open. Yes, it's going to be mounted to the bench, but still, there is, dirt's going to be getting in. And whenever I see Wiltons, the bottom base is pretty rusted. They still work. Obviously it's not that big of a deal, but it's pretty rusted. Just the way it is. Let me just set this guy aside. Now when we look at this fella, what you will see is that, I can take the brake mechanism out. The brake mechanism is enclosed inside of the base. It's not, there's still some holes and moisture can still get in, but not as much as in a completely open base. So again, I really like this design, pretty nifty, pretty ingenious. And here the fans move, right? You can see them moving out, in, out, and in.